How to use the wireless microphones at the event. If you decide to get a wireless microphone for your live streaming kit, I'm going to help you use it correctly. The first thing you need to know is that the wireless mics are fantastic at capturing audio from a very specific spot. The best use for a wireless transmitter would be to capture the person or people doing most of the speaking. In these scenarios, the wireless transmitter would be placed either on their clothes, like this, or a table or stand right in front of them. The wireless microphones are not designed to capture ambient sounds, but they can be used for that purpose. Their volume levels tend to be perfect for capturing voices, but not that great for capturing things happening at a distance. If you have a Rode Wireless Go 2 or a similar microphone that includes two transmitters, you can place one on each person talking, or one on the efficient and the second one in front of the speakers to capture the speech as well as the music or sounds playing in the background. Here is a quick comparison of a wireless microphone placed on me and the same microphone placed 3 feet away from me. Test, test. This is a Rode Wireless Go 2. And now I'm about 3 feet away from the microphone. As you can tell, the difference is evident, and the closer the person, the better the sound will be.